Hey guys, on today's video, I'm taking a look at your Sun Life. So that's if you already have the insurance cards that came in. So if you applied, and I do have a separate video that teaches you how to apply for the Canadian Dental Care Plan. That's a different video. That's throughout Canada.ca. This is if you have the card already that came from your mail. It does not come from email. It comes through your mail. It comes a physical card. Then and only then, go and register, okay? So that's this video. I have another video that teaches you how to sign up for that. But anyways, this will be basically part 2, what you have to do next once you get your stuff in the mail. So you're gonna have to go into mysunlife.ca, and then from here, you don't have an access yet. So you don't have an email or password at this point in time. You have to scroll down. You have to register. So right here, register. There's also an app, by the way. So I would highly suggest downloading the app, but we're gonna do this on your computer. Well, you guys could do this on your tablet or even on your phone. It's going to be the exact same thing. But anyways, we're going to go into register. Then what you guys have to do is just put your email address or whatever that is. And once you do that, put on register. Just tap on register button. Then what's going to happen is they're going to go on and send you an email right this second. So click on the link from that email. And I'm going to show you how that email looks like. All right, so you're going to receive an email that looks like so. All you guys have to do is just tap on confirm my email address. And just to show you, that email will come from this, okay? So it's going to be info.sunlife.ca. So that's how you know it's legit. Once you do so, it's going to take you straight here. All you guys have to do is put your date of birth, month, year, then create a password, confirm that password, then down here below, you will have to select a verification question. So it's a drop down. So you guys can choose anything that you like, put in your answer. Once you've done that, click on done in the bottom. All right, so once you've done that, it's gonna give you an access ID. So you guys can sign in with your access ID or your email plus the password you created. So just tap on next. Then it's gonna take you here for two-step verification. Very important. So go on and set it up. So get set up on the bottom, you're gonna see that button. All you have to do is just scroll down in the second page, press I accept. From here, just put in your phone number, just select text message. It's just better. You guys can select the second option for phone call. Your choice. I suggest choosing text message. And then just press on get verification code. Once you do so, it's gonna send you a verification code. So check your phone, put it in, and then it's gonna take you here. You guys can even add another phone number if you want to. But if you don't want to, just tap on next. Then it's gonna ask you how many times does it have to verify. So only when Sun Life needs to confirm your identity or every time you sign in. It's up to you. I'm just gonna choose when Sun Life needs to confirm my identity. Other than that, I don't see a reason why. From here, you're basically all done. You just created your account, you're good to go. If you have a kid, he would be in this list already, so you don't have to make an account for them. They're gonna be under your own account because that's how you signed up in the first place. Unless the mom signed up for them, then they're gonna be in their account. So don't worry if you don't see him under your own account. But you do not need to make an account for your kid. He will be under the one, whoever went on and registered him with him. And right here, it's gonna tell you when your coverage date, and there's advanced filters. You're gonna see your claims and everything. Since you're brand new, this should be technically empty. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you got some comments, questions, guys, comment down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.